What's up, y'all? So I think one of the best appetizers to make is stuffed mushrooms. They're super easy to make, they're super delicious, they're versatile, they're great for parties, you can eat them with your hands, they're just all around 2 thumbs up. So today we're gonna be making these easy stuffed mushrooms. Let's get started. And there you have our easy stuffed mushrooms. They're packed with cream cheese, the stems of the mushrooms, some sauteed onions, we got some parsley, we got Kelly's croutons mix. All right, enough talking. Let's give these bad boys a try. Which one do we do? Let's do the big one. Here we go. Super, super juicy, look at that. Really, really good. And what's great is you can make these ahead of time. Just stuff them up, store them in the fridge, throw them in the oven when you're ready. It's that easy. They're super delicious, easy stuffed mushrooms. So if you like this recipe, the link will be in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.